Just got to show you this place. Calang Park, part of the former Blackburn Creeklands. This is the way it's taken me. Blackburn Lake Sanctuary. You know me, mates, I can't help myself. Oh, can't help changing gears either, bloody hell, that was terrible. Well, I made it to Manta Coffee Roasters in Nunawading. I'm just cycling through Mont Albert on the way to Manta Coffee Roasters in Nunawading. Great cafe, it's worth the ride. Just going past Camberwell Grammar School. Inner East Melbourne, quite a wealthy area. I do like the tree-lined roadways in Melbourne. They're very beautiful at times. They really are. Recently I've started riding along the road less because it's been quite dangerous after COVID. See that idiot in the white car pull out in front of the ute. 38 minutes to Nunawading and I got a coffee. I can smell it already. Ah, got me. Never fly through them, mate. 3 hills and you guessed it, mate, there's lots of hills. Again, another nice area. Surrey Hills. Oh, I smell people having their breakfast. Makes me even more determined to get to that cafe. Really does. I'm a bit hungry and I want that coffee. Yeah, they do. I'll beat these cars here. There we go. Just make sure there's out that traffic.
Continue on Albion Road for 1 kilometre.
So I'm 26 minutes away now. Not long at all. Soon flies by on a bike, doesn't it? Just gotta show you this place. Love an old building. Can't help myself swinging around on the driveway. Doesn't look too old actually. 1930s maybe. 1940s, we'll see when I go home. Gorgeous, eh? I love old buildings, even though I say it's not that old, it's old style. It's old for Australia, mate. So just putting on an try again. I just put on an Instagram story that I think it's from the 1930s, and the foundation stone there says 1934. So spot on with me guess. University of Deakin Theological Union. Back on to the mission to Nunawading. Manta coffee roasters. Callang Park, part of the former Blackburn Creeklands. This is the way it's taken me. Let's do it.
Continue for 800 meters.
I'm sorry if the angle keeps changing. Not a massive fan of this clamp. The clamp's for the GoPro. Morning.
Morning.
Nice little park, that's for sure. Lovely creek to my left. I think it might be the start of the Gardeners Creek Trail, I'm not sure. I'd have to check on my map. I don't usually come southeast, so it's always something new for me. So the GPS says I'm 18 minutes from Manta. Would have been a little bit quicker, but I just stopped at the University of Deakin Theological Union because I spotted the building and just had to go and look at it. Ooh. Thank you. Did make dens like that when I was little.
Turn right towards Heath Street, then turn left onto Heath Street.
I don't have the grippiest tyres on, which is why I'm not particularly flying at the moment. Usually I'd probably be doing 25, 30k, I'm just doing 20 on this.
Turn left onto Heath Street, then turn right onto Blackburn Road.
Nice. Sorry, Gordon Ramsay Street's out the window. It's all about Jeffrey Street, mate. This place is lovely. Nice looking lake here. Looks like Plenty Gorge Lake, but it's not. Blackburn Lake Sanctuary. You know me, mates, I can't help myself. Oh, can't help changing gears either, bloody hell, that was terrible. Thank you. Thanks very much. Nice here, eh?
Nice.
Doesn't say no bikes, so that is a good sign for me. Ooh, look at this, gorgeous. So I'm just pumping around the lake circuit quickly so I can see what's going on. Morning. No fishing allowed because it's sanctuary, mate. Watch out for snakes, especially in a warm autumn, mate. They're still feeding, I reckon. Morning. I'm back en route to Manta and it's 10 minutes away. I'm sorry about the delay, mate, but I have ADHD, I'm into everything. And when I see a lake or something like that to cycle around quickly, sometimes you just can't help yourself, can you? You only live once, mate. Sometimes when you're following GPS, mate, shit happens and definitely can't get down there. I've had to take a bit of a diversion because they are laying down a pipe or something and you can't access the cycle lane. Might be able to get past it here though. 2 minutes until I get to Manta now. Not long at all. Been a nice little ride. Manta. So this is it, mate. It's Manta Coffee Roasters. Well, I made it to Manta Coffee Roasters in Nunawading. It was quite a nice ride actually. The roads weren't too bad, and honestly, right, when I've got my camera on, I notice a difference in the way people behave because they think it's recording. But yeah, this is Manta Nunawading, mate. One of the best roasteries in Melbourne. Can't say the best because there's so many good ones, but yeah, Manta